Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the Atom Audio T5V Active Nearfield Monitor 2-pack bundle, a fantastic choice for music producers, sound engineers, and content creators looking for professional quality audio without breaking the bank. This bundle includes 2 T5V monitors and 2 25-foot XLR cables, giving you everything you need to set up a solid studio monitoring system. So, is the T5V worth it? Let's break it down. Design and build quality. Right out of the box, the T5V looks sleek and modern. It has a compact, sturdy build, making it ideal for small studios, home setups, or even professional workspaces. The 5-inch woofer and rear bass reflex port are designed for deep, punchy lows, while the 1.9-inch UART ribbon tweeter delivers crisp, detailed highs. The cabinet is well built, and the design helps minimize unwanted resonance, giving you a cleaner, more accurate sound. It's also lightweight, making it easy to set up or reposition in your workspace. Sound performance. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the sound quality. The T5V is known for its balanced and precise audio reproduction. White heavy checkmark bass, the 5-inch woofer produces tight and punchy low-end frequencies, making it great for mixing bass-heavy genres like hip-hop, EDM, and rock. White heavy checkmark mids, the midrange is clear and natural, making vocals and instruments sound true to the source. White heavy checkmark highs, the UART tweeter does an excellent job delivering crisp and detailed highs without harshness. This is especially important for mixing and mastering, where clarity is key. With a frequency response of 45 Hz, 25 kHz, the T5V provides a wide and accurate sound stage, perfect for critical listening. Power and connectivity. Each monitor delivers 50 W of Class D amplification, giving you plenty of volume for both near-field and mid-field listening. Even at higher levels, the sound remains clear without noticeable distortion. Connectivity is simple and professional. You get both XLR and RCA inputs, making it compatible with most audio interfaces, mixers, and setups. The included 25-foot XLR cables in this bundle ensure a reliable, noise-free connection. Who is this for? The T5V is an excellent choice for white heavy checkmark music producers and engineers looking for accurate monitoring. White heavy checkmark content creators and podcasters who need professional quality sound. White heavy checkmark DJs and electronic musicians who require tight bass response. White heavy checkmark home studio owners who want an affordable but high-quality monitor setup. Final thoughts: is it worth it for the price? The Atom Audio T5V monitors deliver exceptional performance. The balanced sound, wide frequency range, and professional build quality make them a top choice for anyone serious about audio production. If you're looking for accurate, detailed, and powerful near-field monitors, this bundle is a fantastic deal. Plus, the included XLR cables make setup even easier. Click the link below for the best price and latest deals. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews. See you in the next one.